In this video, you will learn how to convert JPEG images to PDF files in Python using the Cloudmersive Convert API. The operation we'll be using actually supports dozens of unique file formats, so it's a great tool to have in our belt. Before we get started, it's important to note that we'll need an API key to use the Cloudmersive API platform. Thankfully, we can get a free API key by signing up for a free account on the Cloudmersive website, and that will allow a limit of 800 API calls each month with no commitments. We'll make our JPEG to PDF conversion with complementary code that Cloudmersive provides on a Swagger UI page. To find that code, we'll click on the API console link in our management portal, and we'll then click on the Convert API link. This brings up the Convert API console page. From here, we'll use a browser window search to bring us directly to the Convert Document to PDF API on the Convert Document path. When we click on this operation window, we'll have the option to test a conversion with zero code if we want. Below that, we'll notice our API response model specifies our conversion operation returns a string, which will make our lives really easy in the end. At the very bottom, we'll click on the Python tab to bring up Python code examples. And we'll select the Install Python SDK dropdown to reveal the client library installation command. Before we take a look at the rest of our code, we'll quickly copy this command and run it in our environment ahead of time. I'm demonstrating in Google Colab today, so my command goes in its own code cell instead of a terminal. While that's installing, we'll head back to the console page and take a look at the code we're provided with. Our client imports are pre-formatted for our convenience, along with snippets for handling API configuration, class instantiation, and API response handling. We only need to make a few minor changes to this code, and then we'll be good to go. We'll now select the rest of our code here, copy it, and paste it into our Python file. For our first change, we'll replace the placeholder string here with our actual API key string. Since I'm using Colab, my API key is stored in the Secrets tab, so I'm just implementing the import and method that Colab provides to set my API key at runtime. For our second change, we'll upload a test JPEG file on our local path. And we'll use that file path to replace the placeholder file path in our code. We're just hard coding this for now to make it as straightforward as possible. For our final change, we'll remove the print line in our try except block and replace that with some code that writes our API response to a new PDF file. We'll create a string variable to hold our file name with the PDF extension, and we'll then use a with open statement to write the API response directly to that variable. Remember that the API response is just a string of file bytes, so this will work perfectly fine. Now we'll run our code and make sure our PDF comes out how we expected. As we can see, we now have a high-quality PDF version of our original JPEG image ready to go. As a reminder, we can use this API to convert over 100 unique image formats to PDF as well, along with Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions for us after following along with this video, please do not hesitate to reach out to a member of our team.